Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Nutella Dinero here. And if you're new to my channel, on this channel we do reviews, we do vlogs, we literally do a little bit of everything. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet subscribed. And today we are gonna be getting right into this baby here. Yeah, so we have the Hershey's Pretzels. Guys, I've never tested these before. It's gonna be my first time testing these and I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna show you guys a video up close and then we're gonna come back and test these. So this is the Hershey's Pretzels up close. It says here they are milk and dark chocolate pretzels. It says it has a salty bite. This is a 170-gram pack and this is what the pretzel is supposed to look like. So it's basically like your pretzel but like covered literally in chocolate and like a nice swirl of another chocolate on top. These are the ingredients. It has wheat flour, it has sugar, it has cocoa powder, it has soy, it has salt, it has yeast. So just take note of the allergens in there. It contains milk, wheat, barley, and soy, and then it may contain peanuts and tree nuts. So if you have allergies, take note of that. It says it's gonna be a salty bite. What are pretzels without a salty bite? And those are the pretzels. They look really, really good in there. See what they look like? Yep, that is what they look like. Yeah, so guys, that was the video up close. Take note of the ingredients, take note of the allergies in there, and now it's time to get testing. I love pretzels so much and I love chocolate too. And the fact that this is actually a Hershey's chocolate pretzel, I'm so excited. Okay, so it's a regular pretzel. It's like a regular tiny pretzel. And you can smell the chocolate in there. I'm gonna take a bite now. This is nice. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna upload Hershey's because the chocolate is just perfect. It has enough chocolate on top of the pretzel and you can literally feel the milk chocolate the most. The dark chocolate is just like a little bit, you know, the dark chocolate is just sprinkled on top, so you just get like a little bit of that dark chocolate taste, but you mostly get the milk chocolate taste. And then the biscuit itself, the pretzel itself is literally crunchy. It's very, very nice and crunchy. And then you get that nice saltiness too as you chew it. So it's just like a whole, ooh, perfect. So you get the sweet and the salty and you get that chocolatey and then that bready taste too. It's amazing. Wow. This is a very nice sweet and salty pretzel and I love it. I love how crunchy the pretzel itself is. And I just love So basically, since this has chocolate on top of it, you're gonna have to keep this in like a cool place, probably the fridge. The refrigerator would be the best place to store this because the chocolate literally melts. And then I love the fact that they have a resealable pack. See, it's resealable. And then it's also airtight because the pretzels are not aerated at all. And yeah, these are really, really fantastic and very tasty. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet hit it. I hope you love my hair. I did it myself. But yeah, that's your girl for today. I love you guys. Mwah, 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 and see you guys in my next video. Bye.